guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Michael. I am 5 years old. And then let me just like your hairs. Yup. Yes. Little blue boy. The color that he used, it's only little blue hair. And then what do you know looks like, guys? So comment your hair, your long hair or short hair. Hey, is it curly hair? So somebody check me. So bye. So comment your hair right now. Is it curly hair, long hair, or short hair? Right now, is it a boy hair or anything hair? Okay, pick the hair. So straight hair, long hair, just pick anywhere. So comment your hair color like this. See you in your channel. Comment your hair. I'm gonna draw your hair. Our like in the video if you want, guys. So comment right now. Bye. Nah.